Hi, I'm Tyson, and I'm here to show you my latest project. This latest project is to make a remote-controlled garage door opener, which I can access from the internet. To do this, I'm using two mechanical reed switches and magnets to trigger them. So here is my garage door carriage on the chain. You can see magnets there, and then one reed switch. This one detects whether or not it's closed. There's another one up toward the front. This one detects whether or not it's open. And using the two of them, I can determine whether or not it's partially open or if one of the switches might have failed. For the actual triggering of the garage door, I'm using a relay and hooking into the push button circuit of the garage door opener. All of this is currently being controlled by a Raspberry Pi using a relay on the one circuit, and then the Raspberry Pi hosts all the logic to do the GPIO, and it also hosts an Apache web server to serve up the web page. Now for a quick demo. The web page is a simple jQuery app, and it's just a really simple page. Click open, close, and the garage door is triggered. After a little bit of a delay, the Ajax call will come back and tell me the new state of the door.